Egg and hash brown casserole recipe. Check out these 3 recipes. 1. Sausage and cheese hash brown breakfast casserole. Ingredients: 1 pound ground breakfast sausage, half a cup medium onion diced, half a cup flour, 3 cups milk, 2 teaspoons Frank's hot sauce, 4 cups Colby Jack cheese divided, 4 cups frozen hash brown potatoes thawed, 12 ounces, 10 eggs beaten, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper. Instructions: in a large skillet, brown the ground sausage and onion over medium heat until cooked through. Drain. Add the flour to the sausage and continue cooking for 2 minutes, stirring constantly. Slowly add the milk and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat and let simmer for a minute or 2 until thickened. Make sure to scrape any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Remove from the heat and add the Frank's hot sauce and 2 cups of the cheese. Stir until melted and set aside to cool for about 5 minutes. Add the hash browns, beaten eggs, salt, and pepper. If your skillet is not big enough to add in the hash browns and eggs, transfer to a large bowl and mix well. Pour the mixture into a lightly greased 9x13 Pyrex dish. Top with the remaining 2 cups of cheese. Bake in a 350-degree oven for 45 to 60 minutes. Let stand 5 minutes before serving. 2. Sausage breakfast casserole. Ingredients: 5 cups potatoes O'Brien thawed, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 pound Odom's Tennessee Pride Mile sausage, 3 green onions, 2 cups shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese blend, 32 ounces egg beaters original, 3/4 cup milk, 1 10-ounce can Rotel original diced tomatoes and green chilies, half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Instructions: to thaw the potatoes, measure out 5 cups and place in the fridge until thawed. Or to thaw quickly, place in a microwave-safe bowl. Cook on 50% for 2 minutes at a time until they are just thawed. They should still be slightly cool. You don't want to cook the potatoes. Use a paper towel to grease a 9x13 pan with 1 tablespoon butter. Layer the potatoes in the bottom of the greased pan. In a medium skillet over medium-high heat, break up the sausage and cook until the sausage is brown and cooked through. Turn off the stove and remove the pan from the heat and let the sausage cool slightly. In a medium mixing bowl, pour in the eggs, salt, pepper, and milk. Drain the Rotel tomatoes and add to the mixture. Chop the whites and greens of 3 green onions and add to the egg mixture, then stir in the cheese. Layer the sausage on top of the potatoes and pour the egg mixture on top, spreading it out evenly over the top. Shake the pan just a little bit so it settles in between the potatoes. Bake at 350 for 50 to 60 minutes until brown and the center is no longer jiggly. If it starts getting too brown towards the end, cover with a piece of foil. Remove from the oven and let sit for 15 minutes before serving. 3. Hash brown and sausage Whole30 breakfast casserole. Ingredients: 1 pound bulk breakfast sausage Whole30 compliant or make your own, 2 tablespoons arrowroot powder, 3/4 cup raw cashews or coconut milk, C note, warm water, freshly cracked black pepper, 1 bunch green onions finely chopped, about 9 small or 7 medium, 6 eggs, half a tablespoon garlic powder, half a tablespoon onion powder, half to 1 teaspoon salt, spray coconut oil or coconut oil for greasing. Equipment needed: 3-quart baking dish. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray or grease a 3-quart baking dish with coconut oil. Make cashew cream. Put 3/4 cup raw cashews in a 2-cup measuring cup, then pour warm or hot water over to make 2 cups. Let side while you cook sausage, then blend in a blender on high speed until completely smooth. Cook sausage in heavy large skillet over medium-high heat until brown, breaking into small pieces with a spoon or spatula, about 5 minutes. Sprinkle arrowroot over sausage, stirring to coat, then add in 1½ cups cashew cream. Cook until mixture thickens and comes to boil, stirring occasionally, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add plenty of fresh black pepper. In a medium bowl, whisk eggs and add remaining cashew cream, spices, salt, and 1/3 of the green onions. In a baking dish, spread hash browns evenly and sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Top with 1/3 of green onions, then sausage mixture, then egg mixture. Bake 45 to 50 minutes, then sprinkle with remaining green onions. A knife inserted in the center won't come out clean because of the creamy sauce, but the surface should be firm. Cut into squares and serve.